The future is uncertain, yet some things are knowable. One certainty is that our current trajectory of greenhouse gas emissions will lead to considerably more warming. The UN Paris Agreement on climate change aspires to limit warming by reducing greenhouse gas emissions around the world. But how do we know what options we have? Scenario methods provide a way to explore possible futures. At their simplest, scenarios are storylines that illustrate how the world may change. Scenarios help us to understand the key uncertainties and driving forces that will affect emissions in the future. More than 1,000 possible future scenarios have been developed by over 30 research teams around the world. But only about 100 of these scenarios are consistent with the limits to climate change set out in the Paris Agreement. These scenarios all show substantial and rapid changes in the way we produce and use energy. Climate change researchers use models to enrich scenarios with quantitative detail on how much it will cost to reduce our emissions, on where our energy will come from, on who should act, and what the implications, both positive and negative, of those actions will be. Many scenarios rely on technologies that have yet to be implemented commercially. Some scenarios even find that the agreed limit to climate change set out in the Paris Agreement is infeasible. This raises important questions about how we respond to climate change that Tyndall researchers are helping to answer.